Alright, what's going on, people? Is the stream laggy? Very laggy. Let me try fix some stuff. Alright, what's going on, people? I'm just trying to fix some settings here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Apologies, I'll be 2 seconds to see if I can fix this at all. I am streaming off my phone because the Wi-Fi in the hotel is not amazing. So let me see if I can fix some stuff here. Let's change this and let's do this to... I don't really know what I'm changing. So let me see if I can fix some stuff here. Yeah, just the camera. Yeah, just the camera. I might just have to zoom. Let me see video. Let me just disable this, guys. 2 seconds. If I just preset high. Now let's change it to 1080. Is that better? Disable this, guys. 2 seconds. Is that? Yeah, I think so, Rod. Otherwise, we're just gonna have to jump on Zoom. I don't know. I don't know if it's because I'm doing it from my hotspot. I haven't streamed off this computer in so long. If I just... Alright guys, let me just post this. Unfortunately, it's not strong enough today. Alright guys, let me just post this. Unfortunately, it's not strong enough today. Actually, can you guys hear me and see me now? Is that better? Does that work? You guys on YouTube, is that working better? Much better. I can see you. Why can't I see your chat on my... I don't know why I can't see your guys' comments on YouTube on this, but I can see it on this. I don't know why I can't see your guys' comments on YouTube. So yeah, no, like for a while. Yeah, I don't know, I can read your comments on my phone, but I can't see them on here. So I may just close YouTube on here, but you guys should still be able to watch me. I think it's YouTube that's bugging out a bit. My YouTube, everything else is working but my YouTube. Sorry guys. Let me just have a quick look at gold. Make sure we're not missing anything. That's alright, we got time. We got time. We got time. Yeah, it looks like it's YouTube that's bugging out a bit. All right, let's give this a go. All right, there we go. I think I can see your guys' comments now. Cool. If at any point you guys on YouTube it does go laggy, my apologies, but just let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can try fix something up. I'm just gonna get the Zoom guys in here and we'll start jumping in. But good to be back on. Good to be back on with you guys. Joining you from Singapore. Joining you guys from the amazing Singapore. All right, Zoom link is in. Singapore so far is an amazing place. As you guys can see, look at this. Look. Absolutely incredible. Amazing place. I'm in my room, man. I'm in my room. Give you guys a little room tour. Look at this. You ready? Beautiful. Staying at the Marina Bay Sands. Here for about 2 nights. Absolutely, Paul. Absolutely. Plenty. No such thing as too many coffees, Harry. We're on the 3rd one of the day. I've been up since 5:30 in the morning because I had an important call with Top Step about sponsoring some stuff. So I've been up since 5:30. So yeah, 3rd coffee is in full flow. Alright, let me get the Zoom guys in here. 3rd coffee is in full flow. Alright. Let me share this. Alright, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Apologies for the delay, we're just getting set up over here. I'll make sure everyone's joining in. My screen keeps going funny. These are the shorts from today. Do a bit of top down here as well. Hey Alan, what's going on, man? I'm trying to get used to this smaller screen as well. I'm trying to get used to this smaller screen. Gold's having a little bit of push down here, but it's okay. It's not. It needs to give a bit more top weight than this. I'll just get everyone in here, and then we'll start breaking it all down. Look at this. A few more people joining. Let me get everyone in here, and we'll start running into it.
Recording in progress.
All right, cool. Let's do it. More people joining. Last one. 4-hour lows taken. Yep. I'm gonna have to move your guys' chat. I should have brought I forgot my portable screen, which is quite annoying, but it's okay. We're getting there. Morning, everyone. All right, cool. Let's do it. Let's break it down here for the day. We'll start off as always. Do a bit of top down here on gold. Break down what we saw yesterday, and I'll just get rid of these liquidity levels here. We'll clean this up for a bit. Let's get rid of all of this stuff. So, as you guys know, we're obviously bearish on gold on the weekly, based off last week coming up, regrabbing previous weekly highs and massively closing back below this resistance. We're looking at this week top wicking before then seeing this drive all the way back down into these lows, which is still looking very, very nice. Now, on Monday, we had a strong push up, but what did we not do? We never re-grabbed these lows. We've now re-grabbed daily highs and had this nice push back down. I think this push here would have trapped in a lot of people looking to jump in longs, putting their stops below this low, and now they're being stopped out, which is good for us because that's what we want to see. That's what we've been talking about. I haven't taken, you guys on Zoom know that I'm not taking a single long position on gold just because I'm overall bearish, and it's pushing down quite nice here as well. Now, today has already kind of created a nice top wick and is already flipping bearish quite quick. I got a small short position, but nothing like I would like to have. I'm still going to look for a much bigger position in this, so we'll still be looking for plenty of trades. But my downside liquidity levels is obviously, more people join this, very nice double bottom down here, and this area right here as well, because you would imagine a lot of people will be jumping in longs off this support. Where's their stop going to go? Right below that low there. So lots of people will be trapped in these longs. And that's why I think there's a high chance you're going to spike out these lows a little bit more, and we're going to be looking for some sells today. We're only 6 minutes into this current hourly, and we are pushing down, but we need more of a top wick anyway. So we'll see if we get a little bit more of a top wick, and then we can start jumping in these sells. Let me just play this. Where are we? Like I said, I did take some sells today on gold, but it's only a very small position. I'm still looking for a better position. Say it's a small position. I took a 0.5 lot, made about $600. But it's a fraction of what I usually trade. So we're going to still be looking for some longs. There's actually some nice shorts already here. Here, once you grab, where are we? Once you grab these hourly highs, re-break these lows here, you're having a pretty nice drive down here. So this is how these close bearish, top wick. Let's have a look at the 30 minute here. Yeah, 30 is beautiful. Wick the highs closed down. 630 shorts were very, very nice. All we need now, we still have downside all the way down here still, which is about, 40 plus ticks away. We just need to see a little pullback on a 15 so we can jump in these sells. I'm not used to this small screen. But yeah, that 50, look at that 15. Ripped the highs, re-broke the lows, even closed bearish. Look at that. Very nice, very, very nice. Some amazing sell opportunities in Asia as well once you came up. Wick the highs, you retest like an hourly level of support and had a nice drive down as well. Still pushing here on gold. I need a top wick so we can jump in these longs, which will probably be on the next 15. Next 15 top wick. Yeah, we still got 40 plus ticks. Oh, let's remind. Let me log into my Top Step X before we do anything. Top Step X before I forget. We had a good call this morning with the guys from Top Step. You guys who are coming on the retreat next year, hopefully getting Top Step to partner with the retreats, give away some free accounts to maybe some members who are coming on the retreats, or some sort of discount, which would be cool. All right, we got Top Step X up here. Take out the weekly lows, yeah. No codes at the minute, man. Nah, I got nothing at the minute. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think gold's going to easily come down to here. I think there's going to be an easy level for gold to come down into. Look at this weekly. I've been talking about these sales for quite some time. You never re-grab these weekly lows previous 2 weeks ago. So you got two perfect equal lows. There's a high chance you'll see gold come back down to 2250. I mean, to at least rip last week's low. Yeah, pretty easy. Then you'll find some support at this 2300 level. Pull back, and then you'll be looking for shorts into here and down into 2250. That's my game plan. Yeah, find some support, which is good. Wait for this first 15 close. Yeah, big shorts, big shorts. I hold in. I think I just about. Oh wait, did this push get my runner? I have a very small runner on gold. Oh nice, yeah, I still got it. I'm short from 23.2287. 23.2287, like around here. But like I I say, only a small play. Say a small play, still pretty nice. Pretty nice. But yeah, I think gold's gonna drop much lower. Let's just quickly have a look at. Is it today we have GDP or is it tomorrow? I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow we got final GDP. Today we have new home sales, 3 p.m. I'm not sure whether that's going to have that much of an impact. We'll see. But GDP will be the big play this week. Anyone of you guys on Zoom in these shorts already? It's having a pretty decent drive down. I'm certainly not. Did some of you guys in I was yeah, some of you guys got shorts, didn't you? I was catching up on the market chat. Yeah, if you guys got the shorts. Yeah, nice, yeah. Close on, yeah, nice. Cut at 26 good. Took the 30 flip after liquidity grab, but all out. Yeah, nice man, nice. Got about 20 ticks. Yeah, amazing. A few of you guys got it. That's awesome. Good work. That's awesome. Good job, guys. It was very nice. Very nice. I wasn't on the charts yet, but good job to you guys who did. It was a very nice play. Even if you just took like break the 30 lows, took like 20 into them lows. Amazing. Ideally, we want to see this next 15 open, top wick into the highs, and then we can look to continue pushing down into this level. This dotted line that I have drawn on here is that weekly low, which I believe is also like an hourly or a 30 double bottom. Yeah, it is an hourly double bottom. 2 equal lows, 2 perfect equal lows. Previous hourly, grab highs, aggressively bearish. Makes sense to me to continue selling gold today. Closed early as usual. Depends where your entry was. Depends where you were in. If you were in on this one, what was your high? Stops would have been there. You'd want to be targeting at least them lows for like 50-ish. Could you have trailed above like a 5? Nah, it would have got you there. 19. 5 minutes starting to find some support. Yeah, if you guys got that entry, once that wicked the highs and then flip bearish, that was a fucking fantastic entry. Even if you didn't get it, put that one in the journal. You got the liquidity grab and then the candle flipping with some decent downside targets in an overall bearish trend. That's a very nice one. A very nice one. Let me get rid of all of these. But yeah, if you guys did get it, well done. I did not, but good job. Let's see, 1 minute till this 15 is going to close. Break even after going 12 ticks in profit. Were you on the 5 maybe? Where did you get in from? On the flip of the 15? Like this one? Or did you get on the 5? Oh, did it push down and then up? Yeah. Wait till the highest and then you get no top here. If you're watching the 5, yeah. The 5 wouldn't have actually given much of an entry. Because you wick the highs, never top wick, close bearish, never top wick, close bearish. So unless you took the after this wicked out these little intraday highs. The 5 minute's been fucking crazy recently. Look at this 5. 5 starting to find some support. Instant bottom wick on this 15. Had that 15 close. 15 closed, finding some support clearly. The 5 minutes kind of printing like a little morning star there, but I'm still looking for shorts. You can't have two equal lows actually. I'm still looking for shorts. We get a 15 top wick on this candle. We'll have two 15 equal lows, and then we could be looking for some sells. Looking for some sells. We may wick up 15 highs, which if we could, that'd be amazing. There you go. Now we're getting a bit of a top wick here. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, 30 is aggressively bearish. You want to be following that. Rip the highs, closed with a what? 70 tick bearish close. Yeah, we want to sell this. Let's see if we can wick out some highs and then start breaking some lows here. That's the previous 15 high, but we may just tap into these ones and start to break out. Let's see. Holy shit. Yeah, it dropped. Yeah, it did drop fast. The cleanest one I think was just off the 15. 5 minute was actually kind of difficult. But if you just took it off just the 15, it was actually, I think the 15 30 was the cleanest. Hourly, probably would have taken maybe the hourly breaking lows once you grab that. Yeah, grab the highs, close bearish. Yeah, I think every time frame is clean other than the 5 minute by looks that trade. But good job on spotting it. The fact that you guys were able to spot the shorts is good. Most people would have been trying to jump in longs today. Come on, gold, give us a top wick on this 15. Yeah, was it a quick one? Yeah, was it quick? That's it. That's what it can do sometimes. Just quickly rip the highs, grab the liquidity, and then drop like that. 1, 2, 3 equal highs. Rip the highs. Boom. That's a really nice push. No top wick on this 15, so can't short it just yet. Where you trade? Can we trade on FX funding firm in 15-minute trades? Yeah, absolutely. I have a funded FTMO account as well, which I use for the 15, 30, and hourly. And I did that as a proof to one of the members who was unsure if they could also do that. I decided to give our plan a go on a FTMO, and yeah, absolutely. Once you get this skill, you can trade any time frame on any platform you want. Doesn't matter if it's FX, doesn't matter if it's futures. It's just the skill. Good morning, boys. Good morning, man. What's up? What's up? Come on, Goldie. Give us that top wick. If we re-grab these lows, then this 15 could actually retrace a little bit. I'll be surprised to see this 15 close bearish with no top wick. We haven't seen that all day. Oh, I mean, saw it there. That was after you grabbed some highs, you know, you saw it there. If we do top wick from here, we're going to have a perfect double bottom. How's that 30 looking? I got to scroll quite far back because I'm on this smaller computer now. I don't like these smaller screens. I like my big home screens now. For the same set, what time frame used on Timo? I mean, I never just have one time frame. I use all time frames, but I'd say mainly the hourly and the 30-minute. But there's never, I never just have one time frame. All of my trades are based off all of the time frames working together. But most of the execution was probably done on the 30 and hourly. And it was executing it and just letting it play out, not micromanaging 5-minute closes, because that's what we do here on stream. That's more scalping. That was more day trading, I guess you could say. Day trading to very short-term swing trading. It's definitely not scalping, but there was still, you know, times where I'd be in and out within the day. Sometimes I would hold it for 2 days. It took me about 2 months to pass the challenge and the verification. I was using fixed lots on that one as well, but I won't go into that. No top weakness 5. Scalp my personal, not as much at the minute, no, not really. I've been maybe trading the 30. The scalping I mainly use Top Step for. I mean, I do, don't get me wrong, I do sometimes, like my one today. The one I took today was, so I do a bit of both, to be honest. Depends on how, on if I feel like watching it or not, to be honest. You know, now that I can trade New York, at a normal time here, I can scalp New York a little bit more now. But when I'm at home and after our London session, I don't really feel like scalping. But now that I'm on 2 hours behind, yeah, I can do it a little bit more. Yeah, you can Callum on FTMO, man. FTMO you can. Not over the weekend, unless you get the swing account, but I don't recommend it because the leverage is crap. But you can hold overnight, just not over the weekend. No top weakness 15 or previous 5. Let me get some water, 2 seconds, guys. What time is it there? It is 20 past 2 in the afternoon, man. 20 past 2. 20 past 2. I'm lucky. I wasn't actually supposed to check until 3, but I managed to get an early triple parch there. yeah, I guess I am. I got water with some OJ, and then we got some. Wash it down with some coffee as well. You can, Mitch. Yeah, you can. I think max allocation's 400. The copy trading is a bit more of an effort. You got to use a third-party platform. I used to use social trader tools. It's not as easy as futures. Futures copy trading is so much easier. I just trade the one. I just find it easier. But yeah, you can have multiple ones, or you can combine them all together, I believe. I just trade with 100. So we're gonna create a top wick here. I just trade with 100. Take out like, you know, 2 to 3% each month. You know, 2 to 3% USD. It's pretty good. Would it go back to 23.14? Yeah, 23.14 would be nice, yeah. I mean, I'm pretty much looking for anywhere above these 15 highs here is a good level for me to short it. That's all we're really looking to do here. I want to keep selling this, but yeah, there's no top wick on this current 15. So if this closes with no top wick in 14 minutes, then we'll probably come up, grab the highs, and then we can be looking for the sells. Aiden, drop me a message on. Actually, wait there. Let me find it for you, man. I made a video on it, man. Let me have a look. Where is it? I did a video on it. Visibility public. Let me see. Where is it? I did a. Give this one a watch after this, man. I did a video on it there. There you go, creating that top wick on this 15 now, which is nice, and based off what that 5 minute was looking like, there's a shit ton of lows to be grabbed down there as well. Yeah, I agree, Harry. See, 2 minutes till this 15 is going to close. Let's see how it closes. The only way I would consider some longs is if this 30 closes, you know, back above this level. Even back above here, then you could play a potential 30-minute morning star to retrace a little bit more of yesterday's move, maybe. But with the way that previous hourly ripped up the highs and closed aggressively bearish, even if we do push up, my job is not to try and trade against that. I need to see confirmation that the markets are ready to turn. After we grab some highs and close bearish, that's not something I want to trade against. I'll only trade against that if this hourly, you know, maybe closes a bit doji. The next hourly bottom wicks creates like a 3-pin pattern, and then we can take it. It's never just going to tap once and just rip, you know. It's gonna stall. It's gonna grab some lows, and then amazing, then you can take it. How do I feel about tick charts? Nothing really, man. They'll have their place. It's nothing secret that's gonna make you consistently profitable. When you say you're on the London session, is it just in reference to the time on the chart, or do you change the secondary view? Cheers again for all your videos. Yeah, no worries, man. Appreciate you tuning in. So yeah, I just have my chart set to London here. I'm always trading based off London, so yeah, my chart's always on London. Oh, this is actually a 30 close as well. Trading setup when traveling. No, I usually have my laptop and a portable monitor. But I actually forgot my portable monitor, which was kind of stupid because it would be very handy right now. But yeah, usually a laptop, portable monitor, and my phone. Yeah. Wow, this 30 is actually going to close bullish. We are grabbing previous 4-hour lows. Previous 4 hour did have a massive rejection. I just have no. I just have no liquidity to target. Dual screen laptop, so good. Yeah, 100%. My portable monitor is amazing. Nah, I don't come. That would actually be pretty cool. Yeah. Don't tempt me to buy more Apple products. Isn't there a new iPad out or something? I went past a Richard Mille shop today here in Singapore, which is pretty insane. I've never seen a Richard Mille shop. Yeah, it's about to close bullish. If we get an instant bottom wick, Could we react to maybe pulling back to here? I mean, I don't want to because the way this Audi has grabbed the highs and closed bearish, but that's a pretty solid 30 rejection, grabbing these lows, closing back above these lows, going bullish. Like, that's a pretty... 15 didn't grab me in lows, but... You know, maybe just to retrace up into like these previous highs as 23 ticks. And then if it breaks back below, then you can just cut your trade. Let's see if we'll see if we bottom wick a little bit more. I like I say, I favor sells. I do favor sells, but that 30, unless you break 30 lows, you can go short. But I think this 30 could retrace a little bit more. I need to pull back a little bit more than here though. Could maybe just pull back even to here. I'm in Singapore. Yeah, I am, man. Yep. Welcome, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, man. If anyone is in Singapore, drop me a message on Instagram. Oh, you mother. I'm not taking this. I wouldn't take the flip from here because my risk reward would be terrible because you've got to have your stops here and my targets are here. So it's not a great risk reward. Yeah, wide range, yeah, it is. I have to keep zooming out because I can't see much on the screen. Yeah, I love these lows. Overall, these lows are very nice. How many days you been here? I only got here last night, man. I got here last night. Today's my first full proper day here. Morning all. Good morning, man. Good morning. Now that we're grabbing 15 highs, if this does flip bearish, I will take sells. Because it's a pretty steep top wick here. If this flips bearish and drives down, now you're grabbing these highs and we're overall bearish off the hourly, I will consider that. Went long at 23.22 on futures. 23.22. Yeah, nice. Yeah, 5 minutes holding that support well. What did you get off that support? 23.22. 40 ticks. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice. What do I do to avoid hesitation when it comes to opening a position? Avoid hesitation? Well, I just have to... If I'm hesitating, it's probably because I know I probably shouldn't be in a trade. You know, my best trades are when it's as clear as day. If ever I'm hesitant, I'm probably trying to more so trade a bit of what I think opposed to what I see. You know, my best trades are where you grab some highs and close bearish and you follow the momentum. If it's ever in a range, then you hesitate, which you probably shouldn't be taking it. So if ever you feel a bit hesitant or unsure, or you're not super confident in the trade, you can just wait. You know, the markets are going nowhere. But if you hesitate all the time, you probably haven't properly identified your trading plan to have confidence enough to execute it. I very rarely hesitate. You know, my plan's very simple. Either the trade's there or it's not. And if it's not, well then just don't take the trade. And if it is, take the trade. Win or lose. You know, don't be scared of losing money. You're in the business of losing. You're going to lose money. So this is a fucking... I probably should have taken that fucking flip. Look at that. 30 ticks on that 30 flip already. That's crazy. Rejected, re-grabbed, the lows closed bullish, retested, ripped. Fucking crazy. Retreat like you did. Nah, this isn't a retreat this time, man. Nah, just a stopover before I go to Vietnam. Out for 31 ticks. Nice. I took the flip, 22 ticks. Yeah, nice. Well done. Well done. You guys who took it, it was good. You just had to have your stops like this. To retrace into there, 24. Yeah, well, nice, very nice. Cooking for the president of Singapore today in my country? No way, that's crazy. That's mad. Traders company or sole trader? Company, man, company. I will be a company soon. Previously sole trader, but very soon this year I will be a company. Look at this rip on gold. Yeah, what a flip. Yeah, absolutely crazy. Yeah, it definitely was. Yeah, it definitely was. It was weird. Don't get me wrong, it was a very nice morning star. But at the same time, you know, that hourly did grab the highs and close bearish. So if we get fake out, if we close back above here, then we got fake out buys, and awesome, amazing. We still got plenty of time. And the 4 hour is also grabbing previous 4 hour lows. The only annoying thing is there's no highs to really come and grab. Like, you already kind of you grab the highs, you push down, you've retraced without grabbing any of the lows. You grab the liquidity. The only thing you could maybe argue for longs is the fact that you're, you know, maybe just in this overall range, and this is your major support, and we could do something like this before then seeing that. You know, it's very possible. That's what city is behind you. It is Singapore, man. I'm in Singapore. So that's the only thing I can kind of. Do we have a? Is there any trendline liquidity actually? I have no. That's the thing. I have no. Yeah, you kind of got a trend line coming down. I see a little bit of liquidity that we can see. If we get a strong 15 closeout, I will take it. Long that one for 40 ticks. Yeah, nice. Yeah, well done, Johnny. Good shit, man. Very nice. Always in your home country, man. Wherever your home base is, wherever your business is set up. How do you feel when you missed a trade opportunity when you're in front of the charts? If I've missed a trade, it's probably my session done, to be honest. Depends how I feel mentally. If I feel like I'm a bit emotional and I'm a little bit frustrated, then I'll call it a day or call it a session and come back for a different session. But for the most part, as long as I'm mentally still in the zone, with the way we trade, there's, you know, trading opportunities all the time, multiple times a day. So I always know that next trade's right around the corner. So I don't really give a shit. I never really think like, oh, fuck's sake, I missed the move. Like, let me start forcing trade. The way that we trade, there's, you know, our plan comes up multiple times a day. Already has loads of time today. Like here, 1, 2, once. These big shorts twice. Like, you know, there's already been like 3 opportunities for our plan today. 3 here. So yeah, the next trade's always right around the corner. So if you just, you know, you've missed it, just stay neutral, stay in the zone. All the best in travel. Look forward to the updates. Yeah, thank you, Steve. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Isn't this for a chart, not futures? Yes, this is the currency chart of gold, but we'll be executing on the futures. We just did the analysis on this one. Taking a sell now. I mean, it's the level where if I was long in where I'd be taking some profits. If I want sells, I'm gonna have sells below here, because that's still gonna give me 50 plus ticks. I'm just trying to identify liquidity levels that we could target to get some longs. It's kind of difficult when you've ripped these highs and had this big push down to then come all the way down again. I know, I think so as well, Kyle. I'll try not to jinx it, but I think so as well. Yeah, they have different prices, but I put my orders based on highs or lows. So if I had a sell stop in below this low, I don't look at the numbers, I just look at the candle low and then I go put the order in on the futures. I'm on my laptop, so I don't think I can share that screen like I normally do, but if you watch my other streams, you'll see me flicking in between the two charts. It's not set 85% for last 2 months. Yeah, it's crazy. It's good. Equal highs in the hourly, is there? Maybe, I haven't spotted it if so, man. Which ones do you have, man? Which ones do you have? Do you mean these ones? I'm also saw this as an evening start to go short. Because you re-grabbed the previous highs, closed back below and then retested. I was more so looking at that as an evening star. They rejected, re-grabbed the highs, retested to push down. So I don't really see that as two equal highs because this one did grab a previous. You know, if this one didn't grab this one and it came close to this one, then I would look at it two equal ones. It's kind of tricky. Why do I do analysis on this chart? Good question, man. Because you'll notice the currency chart will grab highs and lows more than the futures chart. And you know, like this, it may have on the futures chart, but there'll be times where this liquidity grab will happen on the currency chart, but on the futures chart, this wick will probably just come up to this resistance and leave like a triple top, which if you're just watching the futures, you'll be waiting for it to get grabbed to then get short. But as long as it's been grabbed on the currency chart, the futures chart can drop off like a double bottom or a double top and just drop because it gets grabbed on the currency. So there's that extra manipulation on the currency chart, which doesn't happen in futures, which is like, unfortunately now a big part of our plan. So if I miss these grabs on the currency chart and just watch the futures, sometimes I can miss a trade. So I just find it easier just doing it here and then executing on the futures. 3 minutes is 15. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to run to the toilet. 2 seconds. How are you, legend? Hey, what's up, Joshua, man? What's going on? Grab some highs, then come down. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. If I had some clear highs to come and grab, you know, I'd have more confidence jumping along. So, I mean, if this 15 closes above, I will still consider it. But you do have some 15 equal lows down here now as well. The only thing I'm really seeing, now that we've come back close to this level, is there's the possibility that most people will be trying to do this. I'm a bit hesitant because, you know, you already grabbed the highs. You ripped the highs and then pushed down. But the only reason you would start to reconsider looking at a liquidity high is if you come back near it and start rejecting it again. Then that could become a level that you'd want to target again. So 15 did just close bullish. So we may even just at least need to regrab 15 highs. I have to zoom out, make sure I'm not missing anything because I'm on this small screen. Yeah, even the 4 hour. You know, this is why I took my sells today, because the 4 hour, you grab some highs, you broke out, you retest and continue pushing down. Here, you lovely liquidity grab and some clear lows. You have 3 equal lows. Here, you rip the highs close bearish. Sells yesterday, very nice. So you go long. Well, where's your target? Yes, we are at 4 hour support, but we also have 4 hour resistance right there, with no, with no clear highs. The only nice thing is we have just grabbed previous 4 hour lows as well. Although I think these lows are going to get grabbed, we are in this range, and this is currently the lows of the range. Bro, any giveaway now? Giveaway for what? What? You just come onto a stream and expect a giveaway? What do you mean? I mean, nice try, but not as far as I'm aware. I don't think so. I don't think I'm hosting a giveaway. Maybe I am. I don't know. Just goes on to everyone's stream saying, "Bro, is there a giveaway or not? Are you giving shit away or not? Because I'm gonna go if you're not." Nah, no giveaways. No giveaways. Okay,
Hey,
me too. Yo.
The way you use the spot chart for gold and then enter on the futures, do you do the same for like any industry like you're trading, like whether it's silver or Nasdaq or whatnot?
Nah, just gold actually, man. I've only ever done it with gold. When I used to trade S&P and ES futures, nah, they were always good. It was only gold I found it, man. Yeah, only gold.
I just asked because since you said that, I just went over like my trades yesterday on Nasdaq. It grabbed some lows quite clearly, like your strategy, but then on the actual spot chart, it didn't. And then now on the spot chart, it's grabbing highs, but it hasn't on the futures. So I wanted to know how you sort of treat that.
Yeah, that's interesting, man. Yeah, be intrigued to see if it does happen on FNs. But yeah, I have only never noticed it on gold. If you don't ask, you don't get. Yeah, absolutely. If this 15, this 15 is grabbing previous 15 highs within the first like 3 minutes. If we start grabbing previous 15 highs and closing below, you're gonna have this whole downside range to play. If I was gonna get some longs, I was looking for a bottom wick to at least long into previous 15 highs. But if we're grabbing it first and we start to reject, we may have an evening star on the 15 to go short. Thoughts on BTC? What's Bitcoin been up to? Is it still dropping? I know it had a pretty yeah, you came back down to that 60s and started rejecting, which is nice. Pretty decent area. I think you're going to come down more though. I think you'll see 55s again on Bitcoin. But regardless of what I think, it doesn't really matter. You're rejecting 60 pretty well. 60 is also a pretty nice level to start picking some up. You'll probably bounce within 60 to 65s now before then potentially seeing 55s. Just based off what we typically do. Break below it, come down, fulfill it, pull up, we push down again. Yeah, I would say in the next couple of months, yeah, you probably see 55s. Yeah, gold's about to grab. I don't know if we start grabbing these highs and looking like we're gonna flip, I'm gonna go short because I want to follow the overall trend and I have downside liquidity. We do have this trend line here. Don't get me wrong, we do. But it doesn't mean we couldn't grab these lows before then seeing that push back up. What the fuck? What kind of a question is that? How do political stability and geopolitical tensions in regions you're traveling through impact gold prices? What does that even mean? I feel like we're just throwing a bunch of fancy words out there. I don't know what that means. This 15 is grabbing these 15 highs nicely. Let's be open to these sells here. Look for in double bottoms. You just kind of want to look for like levels where it's come very close to it, rejected and not grabbed it, like this. So you can very close these lows, never re-grab that. I look at that as a nice level of liquidity. Same as here, you know, at class this is a double bottom. We have two equal lows. You reject, you come close to it. That's kind of like your double bottoms. You want to see them grabbed, or you want to short into them. I'm going to drop down to the 5. Let's see, 5 just wicked out previous 5 highs. I'm going to get rid of this one because that's grabbed the previous high. How long we got to this? We got the London Open. London Open about 9 minutes here as well. Five minutes just come up, found some resistance, grabbed some lows, re-grabbed the highs, holding their support here, also holding that resistance. Creating a little range for the past 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's so, look at all these lows. If we had ripped these lows, you know, I'd be more inclined to take longs. The fact that you didn't is why I believe that these will get grabbed. But we're not here to trade off what I believe. We want to see price close bearish, and then we can short into what I think is going to happen. We'll react to what I think is going to happen once we get an indication that the charts want to follow what I potentially think. See gold sweeping 23.30 on the futures. 23.30. Yeah, it's possible. I would like to see maybe the hourly close bullish bottom wick, and then I would consider some longs. You know, you even get this 30 to actually close with this morning star, and then we can play this little range. You know, the hourly is kind of weird. You know, you grab the highs, close bearish, grab the lows. Is it going to close bullish? We need to see. But if it does close bullish back above here, you bet bottom wick, and yeah, you may pull up a little bit. It's a pretty, I mean, it's pretty weird price action so far today, but. Yeah, I'm overall bearish as well, man. Yep. Spot coming very fast. Yeah, it definitely can, man. Greetings from America. What's up? Welcome. And I want to see if this 15 is actually going to close above the previous 15 high or not. What did I didn't stream London yesterday. What did London actually do yesterday? Oh, I did nothing, did it? Yeah, I did nothing. Unfortunately. And what did London do? Look at that. London left a perfect double bottom. So what do? You try and short into that. Grab some highs, close bearish, short from here. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if any of you guys are on Zoom took any London trades yesterday. I don't think so. I remember I was watching it on the flight. It was in this massive hourly range. Big hourly range from like 3 AM all the way until 9 a.m. Very well. They influence the demand of gold very well. I'm buying gold everywhere. But I mean, let me just have a quick look at this daily. Yeah, we are at this daily support in a bit of a daily range. Although, I do love these lows to get grabbed. Could this daily just bounce off this support until we get that GDP on, what is it, Thursday? Maybe. Yeah, absolutely, sure. I've been stacking up. Stacking up the gold bars. 3 minutes until this Audi's going to close. We'll get the London Open here as well. Hopefully something makes a little bit more sense. Higher time frame is always key. And the 4 hour is a major 4 hour support grabbing previous 4 hour low. So we do want to keep that in mind. Yeah, let's just wait. It's going to close in 3 minutes. There's no point taking a trade before that. I've been drinking too much. I've been drinking too much coffee today. Let's have a look at some other stuff whilst we wait for gold to break out a little bit. Anything you guys are looking at as well, feel free to send it over and we'll break it down. Let's have a quick look at oil. Good evening, beautiful ugly Berlin. What's going on, man? Have a quick look at oil. Oil on the daily kind of respected this big inverse head and shoulders, big left shoulder, big head, kind of right shoulder. Could create a little bit more though, but oil's been on a pretty decent recovery. A huge rejection here, pulling back higher. Let me get rid of these levels. It's a bit ugly. Short on AUD CAD. I'll have a look, man. I'll have a look. Monthly on oil. Monthly on oil. Wicking the low is about to close back above $80 is pretty huge. It's very huge. This is the last week of the month, isn't it? This is when's the is it on Sunday? What day is it today? 26. Wow, yeah. June's gone quick. June's gone very, very quick. Actually, let me just have a quick look at this monthly on gold. Monthly on gold. Yeah, probably gonna close a bit doji. We'll see. But yeah, I'd say oil's probably gonna come back up to 85s in the next couple of days to weeks. You probably bottom wick a little bit more. Come down, grab some lows on oil, and then you can be looking for that push back up. Is Nasdaq still ripping? Nasdaq still ripping now? Coming back down a little bit. Nasdaq coming back down. Never really faked out that trend line. Push lower. Let me get rid of these. Yeah, this is going to be I think we'd have an hourly fake out here on gold. Well, we are having an hourly fake out. 25 seconds is hourly's about to close bullish back above, so bottom wick and we'll just react to that and go long. We're confirming the fake out by actually closing strong now. Oh yeah, 100, absolutely I did. It's a good question. Aaron, did you ever feel like trading wasn't for you at one point in your journey? Yeah, loads of times. loads of times, you know, but it's normal, you know. It's normal to have losses and daily, yeah. I don't think that even goes away either, to be honest. You just got to look at the bigger picture, and you got to understand this. You know, it's gonna take time and it's gonna be hard. Yeah, I've thought loads of times. Yeah, I don't know if trading's for me. Then you have times where you make money. Like, fuck, I love trading. So it's like, well, you just got to pick one of the other. Either you love it or you hate it. For me, I love it, and losses are part of the game. But yeah, you just over time you just get numb to. I think that the only time you ever think like, oh, it's trading for me is when you're in a bit of a losing streak, or you're taking loads of losses. You're like, fuck, can I even do this? Is this for me? But as long as you actually want to do it and you want to become good at this, and don't worry, I don't think trading is for everyone. But for me, it was the fact that I would keep losing and keep feeling that was the reason I had to stick at it, because I had to prove to myself that I could do it. Even if, you know, I was like, fuck, if I make loads of money for 5 years, 10 years, then stop, then sure. But nah, trading is... And you know, you have to find out your style as well. You know, scalping might not be for you, but maybe swing trading could be for you. You know, there's so many different ways to make money in the markets. You don't have to just look at one approach. You know, you could use our plan and trade on like the hourly or the 4 hourly, and you might be like, yeah, fuck yeah, I really, you know what, I really like swing trading. Let me give swing trading a bit more of a go. But in the beginning, you need to go through the trial and error to see what works for you and find out your own style. You know, it's never a one size fits all kind of thing. We're bottom wicking here on gold. I'm looking to see where we can get some longs. You know, the hourly just closed bullish back above, faking out, so I'm trying to go long here on gold. I'm just trying to see where we could do it. If we grab some previous 5-minute lows before grabbing the highs, you know, we could look for some longs. Unless the hourly recloses back below, you know, then we'll go short, but the hourly just closed back above, so I'm looking for longs in this next hour at this London Open. Looks like a fake out pre-London. Rather make less than 9 to 5 while learn trade to make more. Yeah, 100%, man, that's it. Same as me, when I quit my job to give full-time trading a go, I was happy with taking a massive pay cut to pursue following my dreams and goals. Because, you know, you're working in a career where you can make way more than your job. And I was like, you know what, once I can focus more time on it and I'm happy and I'm free, that's also going to have a positive impact on my trading. If you're working a 9 to 5 now and absolutely hating your life and you take out that negativity on the charts, it's not going to end well. Trading is like 80% psychology. So any negativity that you may have from your life or another job, fix that and then focus on trading. Or try and just fix that shitty mindset. I hated my 9 to 5 job. You don't have to do a job that you hate. You know, you can find a job that you enjoy. Do something part-time that you enjoy, because you know you're focusing on trading that's going to build you a long-term career. I'm just grabbing previous 5 highs here, 5 lows. It's quite aggressive because I think you're bottom wick a little bit more, but you do have a little liquidity grab there. Where's our target? I don't know. Maybe back up to these levels. I know no orders in just yet. I'm just drawing this up. I'll tell you guys when we do put it in. You're grabbing previous 5 highs, but this is only the first bottom wick of the hourly. And we could be looking to target back up here. Also, we'll change, yeah, absolutely. And then once you do it, it's very hard to go back. Let's see, 5 minutes, 20 seconds to this fight. It's going to close. The closest bearish, not long just yet. You'll see it re-break back bullish. But this push down is good. This is what we want to see, because we want more of an hourly bottom wick to take the longs. This is the point where the hourly will be re-flipping back bullish. And this is where we want to be going in long from. Here. Look at the hourly. This will be the point where the hourly flips bullish. That's where we want to be looking for longs. And this could bottom wick into here, and then we go long. into here. It's kind of actually no, keep that on, but scrap that. We want to look at it more of a level. We'll struggle as soon as we come into here, so we want to be playing there. What's that? 27, yeah, not bad. Not bad. Look at that, closing back bearish. Parents want me to become an engineer at sea, but I know make more than trading that. Yeah, it's an engineer at sea. That sounds pretty intense. I mean, it's always good to have a, it's good to have a backup. People say, in business, if you have a plan B, you'll use it. But yeah, it's all well and good, but in trading, you need something in the background to keep you mentally in check. So for me, it's like I already had a degree. I had been working a 9-to-5 job for the past, since I was, I don't know, fucking 17. So I was like, if all else fails, I can just go back to doing the exact same shit I was doing before, and nothing's gonna change. I've been trading for like 6 years now, and nothing still changed. Still people doing the same shit. And if I wanted to go back to that life, at any point I could, and nothing would have ever changed. But if I didn't give it a go, then I'd never know. I wouldn't be sat here in Singapore right now. And today I took these shorts on gold and made about $600 while sitting by the pool in Singapore, which is pretty fucking crazy to me. But if I didn't give it a try, we would have never known. Been trading 12 years part-time after work. That's awesome, man. Good for 100 times a day. Disciplined enough, you can make about 100%. Trading 12 years part-time is fucking amazing as well, man. That's an incredible amount of chart time. The RM shop. No, it's just always somewhere I've always wanted to visit, and it was a good stop off before I go to Vietnam. But it's just somewhere I've always wanted to experience, actually. Lots of money here, lots of hedge funds, lots of. Right behind me, there's like massive JP Morgan building. There's like a massive HSBC bank. Like so much money over here. So it's quite cool just to come and see it and experience it. Yeah, traders hub for sure. Shitload of traders in Singapore. If we start breaking this point here, we'll be looking for longs and we'll be risking off this low that's grabbed the previous. Or if we can get a morning star play on this 5, we'll consider it. Morning, guys. A real late night. Overslept this morning. It's all good, man. It's all good. You haven't missed any trades just yet, man. I lost an IT job. What have you been trading on the side for 2 years? 3rd year now. Fine, profitable, and consistent. Yeah, amazing. Amazing. It's never too late to give up. And just another day to see it. Yeah, 100%, man. That's it. What do I buy or sell? No idea. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Think about high time frame trading? Can we do it? Yeah, 100%, man. Yep, absolutely. I only used to swing trade, and I still do swing trade as well. Let me just see here. May have some longs here in a second. Stop loss is going to be current 5 lows. I'm going to wait for this 5 to close. See if we bottom wick and let some longs here. Weirdest place in Singapore. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Let me have a look. I'll pop it up, man. Thank you. Any recommendations are good. Well, any to an extent. See how this 5 closes. Start with $100. Yeah, nice. Yeah, yeah. I started with about £500, and then did about £2,500. And you see it's closed bullish. I've won some longs. Not yet. Not yet. I was hoping this closes above and we could play a morning star here, but we've got 30 seconds. Let's see. Confirmation candles. Food. For me, confirmation on candles is the most important part. I'm a pure price action trader, so candle patterns and the way they're forming is the most important part for me. So 500 was 0, yeah. Okay, I start with 500 and 2.5, and then also ended up with 0. How can you sustain a life? A life when traveling, you know, I don't really do touristy shit during the week, I'll be honest. Mainly do touristy stuff on the weekend when the market's closed. I just work my days around my trading sessions, and I have alerts everywhere. Yeah, as long as you've got instant, yeah, like, you know, anytime I'm not on the charts with you guys, I literally have, like, I've already deleted them today, but I already have, like, alerts everywhere. I have at least 2 alerts at all times on gold. So I know if we're breaking out and what direction we're pushing in. It kind of gives me that peace of mind that if my alerts aren't going off, we're probably not doing much. If my alerts do go off, amazing, I'm going to quickly fire up my charts and see if I can get something. No longs just yet on gold. You just closed back bearish, top wick, you're pushing a bit lower. Again, no shorts because the hourly closed bullish. Ever trade off your phone? Yeah, all the time. All the time, yeah. Well, I mean, I say all the time I trade off my phone. I may execute off my phone, but that's because I've put in the foundations here on the charts on my computer first. But I would never just analyze on my phone and just execute on my phone. You know, I'll execute my phone loads of times as long as my alert's gone off, and I've already done the good stuff on here first. Like the gold sales I took today was literally just off my phone, but that's because I'd already done my analysis on the computer before. Nice gold just dicking around today again. Here's 15. 15's grabbing previous 15 lows, which is quite nice actually. So you just wicked. Wait, did you just wick out or was it a double bottom? Oh, no, you didn't, motherfucker. I'm new here. How long did it take you to become consistent and profitable? Welcome, man. It took me over 3 years. I've been trading for about 6, almost 7 years. It took me about 3 years to gain any sort of consistency. 2.5, 3 years. You know, made little bits of money in between, but just always gave it back. So anyone who told you they're a full-time trader at 17 and they got profitable in 6 months is full of shit. The amount of traders I see on social media today saying I'm a full-time trader at 17, I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? How do you even know what a chart is? It looks like we are going to come and grab these lows. If we grab these lows and then start closing back above here, we'll go long. Lost 4k in my first year, 3k my second, now up 7. Amazing, man. Look at that. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. That's the thing. You could suck it. You could lose it trading for like 2-3 years. Lose like 10, 20,000 and you'll get to a point where you'll make it back in 1 month. You're allowed to lie on social media? Absolutely. Everyone's a guru on social media. Let me grab my laptop charger, guys. 2 seconds. God, he's going to dip a little bit more here. I need my charger. Ah, you mother... My charger doesn't fit in the wall because... Damn it. Oh, that's fucking annoying. Oh, look at that. Don't even need an adapter. There we go. What are you up to, Goldie? What are you up to? Political events impacts potential profit. Depends on, I don't know, depends on what you're in, what your plays are. Is that 15? 15 just closed. 15 just closed bearish again on gold. Just fucking crazy. Yeah, gold's really drunk. Yeah, that's one way to put it. You know, I'll go short if you know we start closing bearish again. My overall bias is short, but with the way that hourly grabbed the highs closed bearish, grabbed the lows closed bullish. Yeah, it's very choppy. Yeah, London has been anyway. London definitely has been. You know, we didn't stream London yesterday, but you know this was London yesterday. You got to be very careful in these ranges because this is where most people blow up, and this is where I'll personally sit on my hands and be patient. I want to take a position with you guys, but I'm also not going to take a trade for the sake of it. If we get, you know, if the 30 closes bearish, I'll go short because I'm overall short today. But that hourly is fucking crazy. Or your safest short is if you take the break of these lows. Like once you break these lows, you're coming all the way down to here. That's a given. So if you really wanted a short, you could take the break of that, which is still going to give you 30, which is still quite nice. There's a very high chance that if you break these lows, you wouldn't re-grab them and push up because it's already a liquidity grab. If you break them, you're going to push down. On shorts and group chat, yeah, nice, yeah. I do want to go short as well. Well, I wanted to go short until that hourly closed. Bearish, bullish, currently bearish. Last time we did that for like from 3 AM till 9 AM. Yeah, break even, nice, yeah, good man. I'll go long when we get back above here, and I'll go short once we get maybe back below here. You guys on Zoom, we might jump on a little US session today, actually. I feel like trading US today, as long as there's not news. I feel like trading a bit US today. I can catch it at normal time with you guys now as well. Maybe we'll jump on like a pre-session once I've had some dinner or something. Yeah, cool. I'll be here, yeah, awesome, man. We got news at 3 PM, but yeah, we could maybe trade a little pre-New York. Yeah, we got new home sales, yeah. Yeah, keen for that, yeah, cool. Alright, that's good enough for me. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll stick around for a little bit longer though, don't worry. We'll see what this London session brings, but yeah. We'll see if we can jump on New York.
Hey Aaron, I've got a question about Topstep.
Yeah, man.
I've got one of these cheap £29 accounts which I've failed, and it's due to rebuild in 2 days' time. Now, if it rebuilds, do you get like a reset at the same time, or do you have to pay like the £29 plus a reset charge?
No, you should just pay the 29 and it should just roll over for you, man.
Even though it's failed, it'll just roll over and start again like a fresh one?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah. You should, yeah, you get a free reset.
It should.
Yeah.
Okay, so they like email you a reset or something, or they just automatically auto. Okay, cool. Chat soon.
Yeah, I think that's it, man. Yeah, that would make sense, yeah.
Cheers, thank you.
Yeah, no worries, man. Has to say illegible. Yeah, rebuild's a reset, yeah, reset, yeah, nice, yeah. You can learn all the technicals you want, but learning patience and market behavior is key. Yeah, 100% true. Learning the technicals should be the easy part. I learned trading from loads of different places, man, not one place. I've done an extensive amount of trading courses in my first couple of years. Too many, to be honest. But a lot of the way we trade here is just the way I've just found myself, built my own trading plan. No one can really give you an exact trading plan. You know, although I give my trading plan in the community, you need to put your own little twist on it. About 6.5 years, Tommy. Only failed funded or not yet. Yep. We're, yeah, 10 class managed. Yeah, 100% Craig. 100% man. Methods in volatile markets. I mean, in volatile markets, when there's like shit going down in the world, gold always goes up. So it's quite simple actually. You know, any war news, gold's always going to the moon. Trade with the chart, not your heart. Yeah, I like that, Drew. I like that, man. Good saying. I haven't heard that before. I like that. I started out thinking I needed to learn everything in multiple strategies, but just perfect one. Yeah, 100% man, that's it. You can see there's a live trade section in the community, man. Come on, Goldie, find some support. Remember, this hourly can flip up at any point. 30 in 8 minutes. I have to. It's annoying, but I have to wait for that close now. Unfortunately, in 8 minutes. I mean, yeah, if this 15 closes like this, then that would be amazing. Bottom wick, and then we'll play that. We'll play that morning star, and then we'll go long, and then we can risk off that low, and then that's great. You know, we'll be able to do something like this. So ideally, this 15 closes bullish, not too crazy strong. Next 15 bottom wick, and then we'll play that morning star and go long into that hourly flipping bullish as well. Because the hourly's grabbed the lows, closed bullish. Unless the hourly closes bearish, you know, you'll reconsider shorts or probably just ranging. But based off what the previous hourly's done, we've grabbed the lows and closed bullish. For this next hour, we'd want to see this continue pushing up. So, could I take it off? I really wanted to wait for this 15 to close, but I may consider a 5 close. This is a pretty decent push now. No bottleneck on the M4. M5 is the M4 secret time frame. Trading a secret time frame with ours. Let's see, 4 minute. Yeah, we'll see. We'll just wait for the 15. I need to see this 15 close. Just gonna have to find out. Typing too fast. Navigate golden financial crisis. Buy gold. Always buy gold. Nice view behind you. Yeah, thank you, man. It's a beautiful spot. Here for the next 2 nights. Five minutes. Those 15's gonna close. So I have to wait for that 15. I can't check the 5 just yet. I need confirmation of this 15. And if this 15 closes bullish, bottom wick on the 15, I'm gonna go long into that hourly. I know there's been some good ones, Ron. There's been some good ones, man. I had the shorts today. from around here. I like that play. I'll draw it up to show you guys what we're looking for, but this is what we're going to be looking for here on gold. That's very true, Ron. Could it grab yesterday's high? I don't think so. I mean, I'm not really thinking that too far ahead. Yesterday kind of grabbed the highs and closed bearish. I wouldn't really be looking for that until you start closing maybe doji or bullish on the daily. I wouldn't try and think that too far ahead. Just think about how did yesterday actually close. We grabbed the highs and closed bearish. So yesterday's closes bearish, so today we want to be looking for sells. If today closes bullish or closes doji, cool, we can go long. But just the fact that we closed bearish. And remember, there's big trend line coming up here. Big trend line. A lot of people will still be jumping in longs here. I still believe we'll see this push down. You may re-grab current daily highs, but to look at yesterday's high is too far of a stretch for me just yet. I don't really think that far ahead. Try not to predict too much. Just react. If we're grabbing highs and closing bearish, just react to that. If we close bullish on the daily, cool, we'll react to that. Not in just yet. I'm just waiting for this 15 in 2 minutes. First impression Singapore. It's very nice, man. Very nice. Very nice place. Very nice. Very hot. But very clean. Very pretty. Lots to see and do, man. Well, not that much actually. It's not actually that much to see and do, from what I've seen anyway. But no, it's cool. It's a cool place. 5 minute looking bearish. Yeah. I need to see this 15 close bullish for me to want to jump in. Check the price of bubble. Yeah, I had a look on. I think I was on Grab last night looking for some food. It's fucking expensive. This price action on gold. It's damn annoying. Yeah, very clean city, man. Yeah, very clean city. Yeah, I heard that chewing gum's illegal. Yeah, I heard that. Not nicotine gum. It's 30's about to close here as well. 30's looking pretty ugly. Teams of people will sweep the leaves. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. What am I snacking on? I don't know. I just grabbed it from the mini bar. It's an Oriental mix. Little Oriental mix. I'm hungry. I haven't had much lunch. I need to get some lunch before lunch and dinner before New York. I know. Cheap food raw, 100%. That 15 is actually not too bad. You grab the lows, you close bullish, you have 3 equal highs. I'm gonna look for some longs here on gold. I need a bottom wick though. I want to look for a bottom wick and then get some longs on gold. That 15 close was still kind of nice to me. Oh, it isn't top wick though. Yeah, double top on the 30. Yeah, 315 equal highs as well. Been to Malaysia? No, never been to Malaysia. No, never been to Malaysia actually. I would like to though. Are you in Dubai now? I'm in Singapore. I'm in Singapore. I'm not in this yet, by the way, guys. Let me move this out of the way. I'm trying to get a bottom wick on this 15 so we can go long. Because that 15 was okay. You know, we grabbed the lows, we closed bullish. You got 1, 2, 3 equal highs, and the hourly is still overall bullish. We grab the lows, closed bullish. Well, this could be a bottom wick. By the time it flips bullish, it will look really obvious. So I just want to bottom wick on this 15 and we can start looking for some longs. Definitely bring you around food if you ever over. Yeah, absolutely. I would love to visit, yeah. UK was 26 yesterday, people died. Sounds about right. Let me grab my phone charger. Create a bottom wick now. So if we re-break this 5 call, we go long. If we re-break these 15 lows, then I'm not fucking sure. I have no buy orders in just yet, guys. I'll tell you when I do. You do have some 5 equal lows here. 15's 5's throwing like an evening start to go down. 15's throwing a morning start to go up. 30 is doing whatever the hell it wants. Any tips and steps to get a girlfriend? Nah, not really. Don't. If you think about trying to get a girlfriend, you probably won't get a girlfriend. Don't think about trying to get a girlfriend. Depends how old you are as well. Kuala Lumpur for 6 months. Great place. A lot of great traders. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Trading scene. Yeah, nice. I didn't expect that. Uh, 15's not looking too bad now. Let's see. I'm looking for the break of this 5 high. I think if we break this high, we could be good for a drive up. Not in just yet. Let's wait. This 5's going to close in 1 minute. We may as well just let it close. It's not going to rip in 1 minute. I don't know. This 5's looking good. If we get a bottom wick on this next 5, I'm gonna go long and risk off the lows. I'll probably go half risk just because it's still fucking messy to me, but it's still good. By the way, nice view. How much it costs per day there? About $900. That's a good 5 close. Let me see if we get a bottom wick. I'm gonna go long here on gold. I'm watching the futures chart here. Tell me you're USD. No good face, no love. Why am I even here? No bottom wick on this current 5 just yet, guys. I'm not in anything just yet. I fucking swear if gold just rips from here. Did the currency give... the currency gave a bottom wick. I was watching the future. I mean, it's tiny. The futures hasn't given a bottom wick yet, so I haven't gone in long. I'm not in long yet. Okay, now you're getting a bottom wick. What is gold up to, man? Why have we just grabbed the highs and starting to pull back down? I'm not in long just yet, guys. I'm not in long just yet. I'll probably be looking for the flip of this candle. Why did you just grab the highs then and start pushing back down? That's what I want to know. Gold is really making us work today. If this current 5 minute starts to flip bullish, we can look for a buy order on the flip of the body and risk off the low, and we'll try and drive it up. Because we've just grabbed the highs and pushing down, if it continues to push down, well then that's fine. We'll just cancel our order. So I'm gonna put that in now. Wait there. Wait there. Don't put it in just yet. We're pushing down quite hard here. I mean, it doesn't matter because you're not gonna. If it doesn't flip, but I haven't put any orders in just yet. Let me just see if this is going to start to reject. If we start to reject, I'll put it in around 23.27 on the futures. If we re-break previous... Yeah, no, we're going to re-break previous 5 lows. If we re-break previous 5 lows, we're just going to range still. But we're pushing that close to that 5 low. You're probably going to re-break it now. So no long orders in just yet. I'm here for 2 nights and I'm off to Vietnam. $11 cheaper. Yeah, this is the currency chart. I analyze on the currency chart and execute off the futures chart. Are you gonna flip gold or not? What are you doing? Oh my god. Look at my scrambled, Ross. Get them bad boys scrambled. Or poached if you can do poached. I can't do poached, but poached are good. Actually, I'm gonna put in this. I'm gonna go half risk. I'm taking a stab at half risk longs here on gold, and I'm gonna risk off this current 5 low. So 23.27 as the order. 23.27, which is on the flip of this body. If this body doesn't flip and have a drive, we will cancel. And I'm risking off no more than that 5 low. So my buy order is in here. If we can see this 5 flip up and have a nice drive, amazing, we'll be in a good trade. If it continues to range before this 5 closes, we'll look to cancel so the next 5 doesn't tag us in. But my order is in on the flip of this body. And I'm going, like I said, I'm going half risk just because this range and price action is a bit ugly still. I think it will look clearer later on. Yeah, you could go in 1 contract, yeah. Half of whatever you would normally do, depending on what account size. For me, yeah, I'll be going in 1. On a 50k top step. So choppy day, yeah, very man, very. And get ready to cancel the order because you don't want to top wick and get tagged in here. So in 10 seconds, get ready to cancel the order. If it doesn't flip, if it has a quick drive, fantastic. 5 seconds, nah, cancel. I've cancelled the order. We didn't drive. So I've cancelled that order. You know, we came down, we grabbed the lows, we closed bullish, we grabbed the highs, we closed bearish. We're just ranging. We're ranging, but I still want these longs. I do still want these longs. Expect a vlog from this location? Yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. Already underway. Already underway. The 15 flip does look nice. This 15 still looks nice. This is why it's a bit annoying. 15's grabbed the lows. You got 1, 2, 3 equal highs. I haven't switched bias. I'm just trying to react to what price action is telling me. I was looking for shorts when we started the session because we grabbed the highs, closed bearish, but now we've grabbed the lows and closed bullish. So I'm trying to get this to continue pushing up, but I'm also being very cautious of being stuck in a range. But the 15 looks nice. You could have a flip on the body of the 15, you know, risk off that low, because if you break that low, you're going to come down to there. So you're risking like 18. You know, if you do want to take it, it's still there. You'd be target like there, maybe about 27, and potentially even back up into here. I cancelled my order though. I'm going to see this 15 close in 3 minutes. But the 5 minute is very choppy. It was looking beautiful. You know, you rip the lows, you close bullish. This buy order would have been lovely. But if it doesn't flip, just cancel the order and wait. Yeah, look at the higher time frames. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Has to be. I'm basing this trade off the 15. That's what I'm trying to get in here. Makes sense that responding to this long range myself. Worst case, blow food bit. Yeah, I mean, whenever you are in these ranges, it's good to put in the buy and sell stops, because if you put in like a buy stop on the break of this high and it doesn't flip, then you can just cancel it. If you put in a sell stop on the break of this low and it doesn't break the low and it just gets stuck in this range, then you can cancel the orders. State of origin on again? Wasn't it just on like fucking last week or something? How many times did they fucking play it? What time is it? What time is it on? 6 p.m. Best of 3. Is that how it works? Nice. 6 p.m. Nice. I thought it was on like once a year or something. That shows how much I know. Uh, 15 is about to close. Oh, I still like the longs. I still like the longs. I'm not in this. I'm just drawing it up as this would be the 15 flip. We'd have our stops below these lows. Let me just put in a text. I'm not in. I'm just drawing it up. This would be one of them where I would, I'd execute it and leave it. So I'm just drawing it up to see how it goes, because there's so many highs to grab. But to be honest, in normal times, if we play this 15 morning star, well, in order for it to be a valid morning star, this candle has to drive and close bullish. If it doesn't, then we'd be in, we'd be out. I always just come on and check the actual closures. If it closed like this, boom, cool. Eat the little loss and wait. 12. It doesn't matter. It's on flip, so. 15 just closed doji. Doji. 30-minute top wick and may grab some 30 lows. Pretty whack. Bearish overall. Can see it tapping. Bit of a bounce. Wait. Set some alerts. Yeah, good shout, man. Best way. Thanks for stream. Yeah, no worries, man. Appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow, man. Hopefully we'll get a bit better price action. Yeah, you know what it is? It's that JP Morgan building looking right into the window, seeing that we're on stream, and they've cancelled all trading for the afternoon. As soon as we end the stream and I close this laptop, all the fuckers at JP Morgan is going to start loading up some orders. Yeah, it's possible, bitch. It's possible, man. Wait, did we just grab 15 lows there? Yeah, we may have to, man. We may have to. Opinion on risk reward? Should you always aim for the same risk reward? Nah, never aim for the same risk reward. I mean, you can have a minimum that you try and target, but that doesn't mean you secure before that, depending on what the market gives you. And sometimes you can take more than that as well. I actually did a video on that on Sunday, man. I recovered this into a full video. Actually, let me send it to you. It's only quite a quick video, but I spoke about risk reward on last week's video. Here, probably help you out, man. Ever consider working for an investment bank? Yeah, I would have loved to early on, man. I would have loved to, but it's more about who you know and the qualifications, I think, to be honest. Which I don't really have that, unfortunately. I don't have a finance degree or anything like that. It's too late now, unfortunately, because I wouldn't be able to do my own personal trading. But yeah, I would have absolutely loved to have done that. I would have loved to have worked on a, on a trading floor on a desk. It would have been fucking incredible. I would still love to do it, but yeah, I don't think it's possible. I don't think I could do it for too long though, but yeah, you need some sort of finance or maths degree, which I think is stupid. Not stupid, but trading. To be a good trader, you don't need to be book smart. I mean, to work in a hedge fund, obviously you need to be good at maths. It's a lot different than retail trading, but yeah, I would have loved to. Yeah. Too choppy. Just we'll come back for New York. Stream for New York. No, I won't be on YouTube for New York. I'll be live in Discord. But if not, we'll be back on London on YouTube tomorrow, man. Maybe YouTube. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe a Watts already might do some. I'll see. Psychology degree would be better. Yeah, 100%, man. 100% it would. Still sells. I'll have sells if the hourly reflips back bearish. I won't take sells until the hourly closes though. Just because the way that previous hourly grabbed the lows and closed bullish. If I want sells, I need to see the hourly actually close bearish. And he didn't really grab any highs. But we're just ranging, We are just ranging. How long do you stay on for New York? Well, I don't usually stream New York. I just record market calls for the guys in Discord. But because I'm away and I can, I maybe stay on for an hour and a half. We'll see. I'll probably trade pre-New York though, because I don't want to trade too close to that news. Oh yeah, it absolutely is, man. Yeah, that's what I mean is the subscription. That's Discord access, man. You still got so many highs to grab. Wouldn't even be a bad play looking at that. I'm not putting this in, but so many 15 highs to grab. Yeah, previous 30 lows grabbed. This is kind of make or break here now. I've used fair value gap strat. What do you think of it? Nah, not really. No. It's 90% of the time just support and resistance. It's just a lot of noise. But it's all about what works for you, right? But no, I don't think it works now. You could draw on fair value gaps all over the fucking place. Like literally, you could draw them absolutely everywhere. But people just cherry pick the ones that end up playing out and just draw that as the one that works. But you could literally find them absolutely everywhere. It's just support and resistance. But there's never, trading is never this works and this doesn't. Trading is all about how you perceive the markets. That's why trading's so great. If you like the perception of seeing the charts as fair value gaps and that's how you like to perceive it, that's amazing. Something that you might see as a fair value gap, I might see as support and resistance, and you might prefer to look at it that way, and that's how you trade better, and that's awesome. There's no right or wrong way to trade, and that's the good thing about trading. You just ripped the lows there. Wait, did you grab? Yeah, you did. Very, very close. But you have actually just grabbed the lows. And looking like the 15 might flip. It's got 8 minutes to flip. I don't think Ali's going to flip just yet. I'm really trying to get these longs. If you take the break high, you'd risk off that low. I'm not putting it in. You may as well wait to close, but this is what I would be looking at, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15-minute highs to come grab. Even if gold's gonna have a push down to here, now that you're creating all that liquidity, you're gonna tap into these highs first and then see that. And I would just be trying to take advantage of that little pullback first. Thoughts on limits? Nah, I don't use limit orders. I have used limit orders, but I don't use limit orders anymore. Limit orders, you're trying to put your opinions on the market. You're expecting something to happen at a certain price. Rather than using a limit order, just put an alert there. And then see how price reacts at that area. Nothing worse than having a limit order. It tags you in and it goes straight to stop loss because there's volume pushing against you. Look at this 5. It's actually quite a nice closure. It is quite risky, but it's actually a pretty nice 5 closure. You just ripped these lows. You're about to close bullish. Let's see if we get a bottom weight. We've come into the last 5 of the hourly, but that may be where we get the most volume. So let's see. View up, holding price down. Yeah, where are we on that? Yeah, still below it. Strong 5 close here, instant bottom wick. I'm going to consider longs into this hourly close. It is the last 5 of the hourly, but this is the 5 that I'd want to be that I'd want to see drive. I'm in on the flip of the 15. Yeah, nice, Sean. Yeah, nice. It does make sense, man. 20 seconds here. Let's see if we get an instant bottom wick. I will probably market execute some longs and risk off hourly, risk off current 5 lows, which I'll be risking like maybe 18 ticks. Which I can afford to risk 18 ticks today. I want an instant bottom wick here. No top wick, instant bottom wick. 1 second, let's see. I'm just gonna stop saying what I want to happen. You have a little trend line coming down here as well. Might find some resistance on that and bottom wick. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. Now you get a bottom wick. Alright, let's see. But you have a top wick first, so now I won't take a retest entry. I'll take the break of the candle because you got the top wick first. I only take retest entries if you get instant bottom wicks. Should have said instant top wick. Yeah, I know. So I will be looking for, I haven't put it in just yet, let me have a look on the futures here. It is the last 5 of the hourly, so this 5 does have to drive for this to be valid. I'm going to put in the buy stop on the flip of this current 5 at the exact same price as before, actually, 23.27. And my stop loss will be based off this current 5 low if and when I do get tagged in. So if I get tagged in, I'll be risking off wherever this is going to be. On the flip of this current 5. 23.27 on the futures. I'm trying to buy it into that hourly close, trying to get a nice hourly flip here. If it doesn't flip bullish and keeps pushing down, we'll just cancel the order. No market execution, only orders. Buy and sell stops. Gold is trolling. Yeah, it is. This will be my last attempt at a trade for this London session. And I'm probably going to wait for New York. And then when I jump off gold, we'll go to the moon. But this is what gold can do. Gold can like stall at the last couple of minutes. And then right before that hourly close, you can kind of see a big spike in volume. And that's what I'm hoping for here. If we don't get that big drive in this 5 minute, you know, then we'll manage our trade accordingly. But I'm happy to take this into the hourly close. My break-even point will be here as well, which is around 20. But ideally, we can this hourly can flip, have a nice drive, and then push. Futures hasn't flipped yet. I'm not being tagged in here. Futures still a little bit below. Is the currency pushing? Let me see. No, not yet. Currency is trying to flip. Futures trying to flip. How long we got? 1 minute now. I'm cancelling, guys. I'm cancelling. We got 1 minute. I've cancelled the order. Cancel. If we were gonna flip, I wanted it to flip already. It's literally got 1 minute now. I just don't want to get. I don't want to get tagged in range I don't want to get tagged in and it ranges. I wanted to see a bottom wick and a quick drive. No quick drive, you just continue to range. So I have cancelled that order. We'll stay off the hourly close and let's see. But yeah, unfortunately, gold is just in this very annoying range. Got tagged at break even, hit 12 ticks. Yeah, nice, Sean. Where did you get it from, man? Did you get it from down? You got it from like here, I think. Yeah, 12. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that was a good trade, man. Break even's good there, man. If that had driven, you would have had a great entry. You would have had a break even point at like 27ish. Break even's good there, man. The technicals are in place. We just don't have the volume. And the fact that we're getting so close to this hourly, we now look at the hourly. What's the hourly doing? It's grabbing highs, closing bearish, grabbing lows, closing bullish, ranging. The only thing that you want to do is you would just want to. Actually, I'm not even. I was going to say you could have an alert above these hourly highs because once you break these, you may drive. But there's no target. There's literally just no target. So for me personally, I'm going to leave London here, guys. We'll leave London now. It's just in this. It's in this ugly range. Thank you, Mikey. Appreciate it, man. Drop them likes in, absolutely. I'm gonna wait for. I'm actually gonna do it. I'm literally gonna come back in maybe like 2 hours. I want at least 2 hours worth of price action. I don't care if it booms or it goes to the floor. I want at least. Did it flip? Yeah. Yeah, it did, you motherfucker. It did. But the hourly did still close. Kind of ugly. Wait a minute. I call it too quick. In and out, 10 pips. Very nice. Very nice. Great session, bro. Thanks a lot. Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you. Appreciate you in, man. You could look at this if you wanted more of a swing play. You'd manage your stop loss down there. Like I said, it's annoying because there's no targets. Like if you go long on gold, well, you're buying right into resistance. And even when you get back above there, you're buying straight back into resistance. Yeah, I'm not gonna force it here, guys. US we'll be on for. I need to go get some dinner, well, and lunch. But I want to trade. I want to trade the open. I want to trade before that. So maybe around like 2 hours. I'll update in Discord, man. But yeah, we'll leave it there for now. Gold's just ranging. I'm honestly not even going to look at the charts for the next 2 hours. I'm going to let it do its thing. I need a lot more price action than this. We had a few orders in there. Didn't get tagged in. That's fine. We don't take losses. We just chill, and we'll come back for New York. So you guys on Zoom, I'll update you guys in Discord in like at least 1 to 2 hours, and we'll see what we get close to that New York session. So I'll talk to you guys soon. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. We had a few orders in today. None got tagged in, which is fine. It means we didn't get stuck in the range. We didn't get manipulated. We didn't take any losses, which is good. For me now, I'm literally going to close the charts for a couple of hours. I need a lot more price action this, and we do have high impact news later on. So I'm literally going to close the charts here. I'm going to go for a swim in the pool upstairs, and then I'm going to come back closer to that New York session. And yeah, I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow for the London session, and maybe towards the end of the week, now that I'm on this time zone, you guys on YouTube, we'll try and jump on some New York live streams as well. Maybe towards the end of the week we'll do that. But yeah, I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Close the charts, trade safe, and I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Singapore vlog coming very, very soon. See you guys soon. Peace.